everyone, my name is Evelyn Prestio.
And I'm Sarah Arvina. We're the founder of
A&S Kitchen. Do you want to find out more about our business? Let's check it out.
We decided that the name for our brand are based on our name, which are Evelyn and Sarah. We abbreviated the name to make it short and easier for people to remember. Healthy foods are usually associated with consuming vegetables. A&S Kitchen designed the logo accompanied with the fork and knife and augmented with leaves. Both utensils are placed against green color in the background, and the logo is competent to please customers due to aesthetic design and capable to provoke visual appeal. A&S Kitchen intended to evoke customer attention and remind customers to eat vegetables after seeing the logo. A&S Kitchen slogan is "Live Healthy, Live Longer," where we aim to help customers achieve their healthy lifestyle and live for a long time. It is inevitable that people may not live forever, but as long as we live, we want to live a life in good health. A&S Kitchen are perfectly correlated with these emerging needs, which can ease customers to recognize and recall the brand immediately. A&S Kitchen pledges to make the process more fun and deliver effortless experience to customers.
We believe that we can achieve this sustainability by ending the destruction of wildlife, pollution of rivers and oceans, and avoid climate change. We also aim to encourage customers to save the environment collaboratively. Our nutritionists will create dietary guidelines to provide nutritious food to help the fast-growing populations to stay healthy and to save the planet. And A&S Kitchen has 4 brand values. Our first brand value is multicultural community. As both founders came from different backgrounds, so we want to build teams with talented people came from different cultures that can bring experience and expertise to the table. And our second value is loyal advocate. We publicly supported customer desire to live healthy. Our third value will be longevity. We ensure that the customer that can be healthy when they start consuming healthy food continuously. Our last value is make a difference, where we'll always put our customer first, where we listen to what they want or what they need. By taking care and treating them as our main priority, we believe that we make a difference in the business that can bring a big impact in the marketplace. So now we're going to talk about our brand purpose. With the rising demand of healthy food, based on the survey, our team has come up with an idea to make a healthy meal solution where the consumers can maintain their healthy lifestyle without taking their time, and we will provide convenience for them.
Business model. The first C is customer. There are 3 ways to segment this market. The first one is segmentation by objectives. There are different ways of how different customers consume their healthy food. Customers want to maintain a healthy lifestyle, lose weight, gain muscle, or they simply just want to eat vegetables or vegetarian. The second segmentation is segmenting by customer coverage. A&S Kitchen aims to target working adult Singaporeans between 30 until 50 years old that prioritize work but seek a healthy diet or a healthy lifestyle. A&S Kitchen should prioritize this market and optimize the range of market coverage. Although A&S Kitchen were able to create a healthy food to a large extent, at some point it will be decreasing due to overcrowded. A&S Kitchen may extend a branch near the public transportation, shopping malls, or offices to ease customers on finding a nearby location. The last segmentation is resegmenting the market. In this competitive environment and constantly changing needs, A&S Kitchen should resegment the market to identify the ongoing demand to stay ahead of the competitors. And consequently, A&S Kitchen will employ nutritionists to help customers maintain their healthy lifestyle and achieve their goals.
So now we're going to talk about company, selectivity and sequencing. A&S Kitchen has professionally chefs and expert nutritionists that will help the consumer to set goals, plan a healthy diet, and pick the right program for them or buy. A&S Kitchen may execute backward integrations to control its supply chain. Retailers are capable to cater consumer needs, and A&S Kitchen gains competitive advantage ahead of its competitors. Cost effectiveness. There are 3 ways to manage our cost effectively, which are reduce basic cost effectively, exercise greater selectivity with high-impact operations, and sharing key functions with corporations, other businesses, or companies.
The third C is competitor. There are three ways to analyze this category. The first one is image. A&S Kitchen sells their healthy food through its official application to help customers find the food that they want and order them right away. The wide range of healthy food menu is created with professional chefs and team of expert nutritionists. The nutritionists will help customers organize the food plan with the right amount of nutrition facts and calories to help customers achieve their goals. A&S Kitchen invested tremendously in service quality and were able to organize the function compared to its competitors. Second part is capitalizing on profit and cost structure differences. There are two ways to analyze this segment. The first one is difference in profit source. A&S Kitchen may reap profits from delivering excellent service from their nutritionists to help customers achieve their goals. The second part is difference in fixed cost ratio to variable costs. A&S Kitchen should lower the fixed cost ratio by reducing the product's price to win market share. Hito, Kane, Mono. Hito, Kane, and Mono must be balanced for A&S Kitchen to achieve sustainable competitive advantage. A&S Kitchen should allocate management talent according to Mono or things such as machinery, technology, process know-how, and functional strength. After Hito or people flourish creative and imaginative ideas to capture business higher potential, Kane or money will be distributed to these particular ideas and programs yielded by individual manager.